Hey, hello everybody. Today I am your host and welcome to my YouTube channel IPTV Indian Parrot. Today I am going to tell you about the progress of my 7-month-old plum-headed parrot. Let's get started. Two plum-headed parrot you can see in the video. They both are 7-month-old. The one who is on the front had started getting gray shade on his head from the age of 5 months. And the one who has a plum head on the back, now at the age of 7 months, grey shade has started coming on his head. The tail of one plum head is complete and the tail of the second plum head has started coming. You are seeing a white spot on the tail in the video. The color of the beak of one plum head is dark yellow and the color of the beak of the other plum head is seen to be light yellow. According to the information I got from Google, I have been able to find out that one of them is male and one is female. That's all I want to say and tell in today's video. Please subscribe our channel to stay connected with us. Thank you everybody.